Thank you, Kurosawa-san. I'll be taking this. Oh, these are the guys I was talking about earlier. This is Officer Kurosawa. He helps keep our squad well equipped. Oh, and here, this is from Ikutsuki-san.
Whoa, is that our warp guns? You shouldn't have.
You can't fight empty-handed, so find something you like. Kurosawa-san has connections. He can secure equipment for us, but these things still cost money.
Of course they do. Nothing in life is free.
I realize that. Well, I'll see you later. Thanks again.
I've been informed about you two. My job is to maintain peace in this city regardless of the circumstances. I'm just an ordinary police officer, but it doesn't take a genius to know something strange is going on here. I'm only doing what I think is right. Nothing more. If you need something, we can talk in the back. All right.
Baby, stay with me. You gotta tell now. I never felt like.
Uh-huh.
I never felt like.
I got some stuff you might find useful, so feel free to browse. Take as long as you need. Take as long as you need.
I never felt like.
What'll it be? What are you looking for?
I never felt like. Baby, stay with me.
Take as long as you need. What are you looking for? Uh-huh. What are you looking for? Uh-huh. Take as long as you need.
I never felt like. Baby, stay with me.
Feel free to buy whatever you want. But all done here? Come back soon.
Can't believe the police station's selling weapons. What's more, they only gave us 5,000 yen. Ain't that kind of stingy? I mean, kind of saving the world. Oh crap, it's this late already? I'm gonna miss the rerun of The Lonely Shogun. I gotta go. Wow, well, about that. I'll leave the rest to you, leader. Let's meet up again. You know where? There's a ton of shops and stuff in this place, so you really should check it out while you can. All right, see you back at the dorm.
Welcome back. Let's see.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. I'm minding my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with this head. Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day
right.
inspire, but never expires. But we gon' chill today, let me rock the world tomorrow, you know. Time to shine and I'm down and round. I'm gonna drive until the break into rounding out. I'm on a mission rounding out. Whatever it is I gotta do, riding out until the day I meet you. I'm rounding out. I look up in the sky, asking out a why, but never let it faze me. I'm keeping good vibes when I'm on the road. Watch out for all surprises. What it provides is good and bad, but nothing that ties us.
Another one day in the night. Let me paint the view. Color down with my light. For every moment share with you, not in the day. But never fully gone. Going to be back again. Until the coming over down.
For the days ahead of us, put your hands up, wave it side to side for good luck.
Yo! You sure?
And the light men are crossing over more shadows. Wherein bells fly hopes for intimacy. Want to be close. To be close.
Yo, what's up? Hey man, I'm gonna get some ramen after school. You wanna come? No reason really. Just don't have anything to do later. Plus, I figured we could finish our chat from this morning. So how about it, man? Let's get some ramen at the mall and talk. Phew, now that's what I'm talking about. Well, was I right or was I right? The soup here tastes great, doesn't it? We've gotta put some special ingredient in it. Something no other ramen shop would ever use. Maybe there's a secret clue in the shop's name. Ah, my bad. I always geek out a little whenever I eat here. You do? Really? You taste the magic too? Man, I wasn't expecting that. I think I'm liking you more by the minute. By the way, I hear you and Takeba-san are pretty close. Damn, you just transferred here too. Well, I can't blame you. Man's gotta be aggressive in this day and age. Hey, let's hang out after school again sometime. Let me know when you're free. I'll tell you all about my secret plan. Dude, you're gonna flip when you hear it.
I am thou. Thou art I. Thou hast established a new bond. Thou shalt have our blessing when thou choosest to create a persona of the Magician Arcana.
It's already dark? Damn, I missed my favorite show. Man, for real? Oh well. Let's get going. But first, let's swap numbers. Bust out that cell phone.
Oh, it's you. Welcome back.
So dance. If you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever, I'm chill.
As we explore Tartarus, this will be our temporary base of operations. I'm counting on you to take charge during the operation.
Hey!
Oh, that reminds me. All right. Leader.
Okay, let's get to it.
This really is the school, huh? The layout here looks kind of familiar.
Is that treasure? There's a shadow!
Two targets. You can handle it.
Now, give him hell!
Enemy down. Keep that up, Iori. Good. That's one less to worry about.
Now face reality, never be challenged.
Iori avoided the attack. Great show of skill.
They're gonna fight.
You won. Now let's move on.
It destroyed the nation.
Whew. Alright, let's get moving.
There's two. Here's your
give 'em
chance to
hell.
attack.
In this situation, help me! Ow! Sorry!
I'll go in.
You've been knocked down. Get up quickly.
plan? Let's go! That's one!
Yuri's taken one down. Excellent. You're back up.
What to do?
You won. Now let's move on.
All right then, moving on. Oh, stairs!
Well, about that.
All right, let's keep moving.
Shadow spotted. What's the plan?
If only Shadow showed up during... Can't stop me now.
What next? Some fun! Persona! Let's finish this!
Good. One less to worry about. The enemy's down.
You're on the roll!
Get ready.
Ha! Perfecto.
Hey, there's a treasure chest!
Look at it. Running around like a clown. What's next? Suck on that!
Enemy down. Keep that up, Yuri.
What's the plan? One more to go!
Yuri's taken one down.
I have to do this.
Better be wise when choosing battles, mostly
Persona!
Nice
All right,
one,
Tim.
son!
Here we go! See ya! That went great!
Ha! Perfecto. Hey, it's the stairs.
By the way, it's a treasure chest.
Can we slow down for a sec? Hey, don't leave me behind!
What's up, Yucatan? You tired already?
something nice inside.
There's two. Here's your chance to attack.
Thanks. What next? I won't lose.
That's an enemy down. Good job, Takeba.
Last one.
Takeba, finish the enemy. All right, you won. Great work out there.
Damn, I'm getting jacked. Haha, yeah. Who's up next? Yo, there's a shadow.
The group of three. You have the initiative. Yuri's taking one down.
What's next? Persona!
Now's the time. Time to shine.
That's an enemy down. Good job, Takeba.
Let's finish this.
Takeba, finish the enemy.
We're gonna miss.
You've been knocked down. Get up quickly. Excellent. You're back up. Well done. Let's continue exploring.
Whew. All right, let's get moving. A shadow.
I'll give them hell.
Now's the time. Persona.
Better be wise when choosing battles, mostly babbles. You know one of those big time shady fofos they will fight for. Drop these balls in my sleep, few more tricks up my sleeve. Wait till wait for you to live it out.
Disturbing the peace. Look into my eyes. Now tell me the things you love think about behind.
Come. Damn it! This is pretty bad.
Yuri's in a bad spot.
Can't stop now. Let's go! Here we go!
Yuri's taken one down. You dodged it. Well done.
Away!
Yuri's in a bad spot.
I'll go with
Yuri's defense has been lowered. Watch yourself.
Disturbing
Come on, Persona.
No problemo!
2 enemies remaining. You can do
What's
it.
the play? Persona! This guy's the last of
Yuri's taken one down. You've been knocked down. Get up quickly. Excellent. You're back up. Yuri's defense has been lowered. Watch yourself.
Let's go!
You won. won! Now let's move on.
Alright then, moving on.
Careful, the enemy's nearby. Let's see. That's... I knew it. Those devices are teleporters. They're portals that are all once activated. You should be able to travel between any of the other devices. Be sure to activate any you come across. They'll be quite useful during future expeditions. Salut. Salut. All right. This is beyond the level of an ordinary shadow. Watch yourselves.
Time to shine!
This may be a good test of your skill. This may be a good test of your skill.
Can't stop me now. Let's do this! Persona!
Enemy down. Hit that up, Iori.
Let's see. Timing! Hell yeah! Here it's done for!
Damn, that's luck.
Excellent. Hakiba dodge the attack.
How the hell? I'll go with.
The enemy's down. Good hit. This is our... You won. Now let's move on.
With this, I can fight even better.
Nicely done.
Jeez.
guess not all of them are totally weak, but they still don't stand it.
Let's see.
Is that treasure?
How's work?
Is that treasure?
Is that? Let's do this. All right. Let me tell you about a new tactic called shifting. When you knock an enemy down, shifting allows you to leverage that opening to let someone else take action. Once you do, your offense can follow up with whoever you passed your action to. If you can coordinate well with your team, you'll be able to claim victory with even greater efficiency. You should all be experienced enough to pull this off now. Go ahead and give it a try.
Let's see. What to do?
In this situation. Come!
The enemy's down! Good hit!
I have to do this. Help me!
That's an enemy down!
In this situation.
It won't
Hell yeah! Here's good for!
Well done. Let's continue exploring.
Hey, there's a treasure chest.
Detecting 3 targets. Take them out.
Pull the trigger.
The enemy's down. Good hit.
Now's the time. That's you.
Takeda, finish the enemy.
What's the plan? Turn it!
That's one less to worry
What's
about.
next? Stuff on deck!
You won. Now let's move on.
Da-da-da-da! Shoot play and level up! And that's a wrap, folks.
Well done.
We gotta keep moving.
You gotta run, fight, and climb stairs. No, I'm actually...
Two targets.
getting in our way.
You can handle them.
You think you can hit me?
Let's see. Persona! What can I do?
You look distressed.
In this situation, I won't lose. Let's finish this.
Good. There's one less to worry about.
Now, you're on a roll.
Nailed it! Nice going, Junpei.
There's a shadow. Oh, stairs.
What's the plan? Persona! This guy's the last
Good.
Good job.
One less to worry
Give him
about.
hell.
Two in a row.
All right, you won. Great work out there.
All right, now back to business.
Oh, that reminds me. It's a treasure chest.
That will take us to the entrance. Should we head back?
Takiba is severe. All right. Salut.
All right, let's keep moving.
That will take us to the entrance. Should we head back?
Takiba is severely exhausted. Perhaps we ought to head back.
Oh, the way the shadows wriggle and squirm is so gross.
I know, right? It's like they were ripped right out of a nightmare.
There's a shadow.
There's two. Here's your chance to attack.
Go for it, Herbie!
The enemy's down. Good hit.
What's next? Herbie! Let's see.
You have the initiative.
Go for it, Herbie! Move him left!
Yuri's taken one down.
What's next? Let's go!
Just one left. Talk about finish the enemy.
I'll go with
Orpheus! Swing and a miss!
Yuri avoided the
What's
attack.
the plan?
Great show of skill.
How the hell?
Yuri's in a bad spot. Kiss, you won.
Oh, well
now
did
let's
it.
move on.
Haha, yeah! Who's up next?
Yuri's in bad shape. He needs to recover.
Something on deck!
Enemy down. Get that up, Yuri. Enemy down. Keep that up,
What's
Yuri.
next? Let's go! You're right, one!
Yuri's in a bad spot.
Now's the time.
Go for blame out!
I'll go with
Come! Persona!
Good. That's one less to worry about.
Orpheus!
Nicely done. Your enemy eliminated.
Orpheus!
All right, you won.
All right.
Great work out there.
All right, let's get. Shadow spotted. What's the plan?
I'll give him hell!
Enemy down. Hit
What's
that up,
next?
Yuri.
Something on deck! This guy's the last of them!
Yuri's taken one down.
What's next? Persona!
Just one target left. Finish this. All right, you won.
All right.
Great work out there. Takeba, don't push yourself too hard.
I'm running low on stamina.
Yo, check out...
It's a group of three.
Let's
you have
see.
the initiative.
Yeah! Check this out!
Enemy down. Keep that up, Yuri.
I'll leave it to you!
Got it.
Orpheus!
All right, the enemy's down.
I'll go with
Disturbing the peace. Look into my eyes.
Not that.
Now tell me the things you love in your body behind my back. Looking as it leaves. I
eliminated.
Alright. We're not gonna go easy. That went great.
Ha! Perfecto.
Found the stairs.
All right, let's keep moving. Let's see.
Pull the trigger. Help me.
Nicely done. Enemy eliminated.
What's next?
Well done. Let's continue exploring. Takeba's running low on stamina.
I think I might have overdone it.
Man, I'm parched. I'm gonna go ahead and say there are no vending machines here, huh?
Even if there were, why on earth would I buy a drink in a shady place like this?
Hey, let's loot that chest.
There's two. Here's your
Let's
chance
see.
to attack. You're taking one down.
Okay?
Now, give them hell.
You won. Now let's move on. Takeba, don't push yourself too hard.
Oh, can we go up those stairs?
We don't see that kind of chest often. Let's not pass it up.
Hey, have you ever wondered who's been setting up treasure chests here?
I don't know, but it's probably not the shadows, huh?
Ooh, maybe there's something.
Can't stop me now. Suck on that!
Pull the trigger.
Nicely done. Enemy eliminated. Fiori's been knocked down. Someone cover for him. All right, you won.
It's over.
Great work out there. Takeba, don't push yourself too hard.
Found the stairs. Wanna head up?
Look at it. Wandering around like a clown. Alright, let's do this! Let's see. Go for it, Ernie!
Enemy down. Keep that up,
next?
Fiori.
Persona!
Enemy down. Keep that up, Fiori.
I'll leave it to you.
Got it. What to do?
Nicely done. Enemy eliminated. I have to do this. 2 enemies remaining. You can do it. Good. That's one less to worry about. You've been distressed.
In this situation, let's do this.
I'll go with.
Come!
The enemy's down. Good hit.
Never mind.
You've been distressed. You won.
They had
Now let's
nothing
move
on
on.
us.
Yuri looks pretty exhausted. Are you all right?
Whoops. Got a bit kicked.
Careful. The enemy's nearby.